Want to publish a book on Amazon? Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So a client came to us with this cute kids book and wanted to get it on Amazon. It's about a little bee. You can see a little bit of it right here. The graphics look pretty amazing, and now it's time to get started. So what you're going to do is, my recommendation is first to log into your Amazon Seller Central account, right? And then once you're logged into your Seller Central account, you're going to go to kdp.amazon.com, kdp.amazon.com, just like it's shown right here. Now you're going to go to the Kindle Direct Publishing website. Welcome to Kindle Direct Publishing. Self-publish print and digital books and reach millions of readers around the world on Amazon. Pretty darn amazing. New total KDP author earnings for January is $58 million. So somebody's making a lot of money using this service, right? So now you're going to click sign in, and if you're signed in on Seller Central already, usually you can click sign in and it's just going to take you directly to this page, right? Because it's connected with Amazon. If not, then you're going to click join KDP and then create an account. I recommend to use the same exact login as your Amazon Seller Central to make it easy to connect. Now, simply the next step is there's going to be this huge button that says create. We're just going to click on that. And once you click on that, it's going to say, what do you want to create? A Kindle ebook, paperback, hardcover, series page, right? Now, the easiest is most likely going to be the Kindle book, and then you can go to the paperback, hardcover, learn about the publishing process. So after choosing your format, you'll enter product details, and we can make it available on Amazon's website. When submitted for publication, we'll review your content and let you know when it's live. If you haven't already, go to your account, fill in your banking and tax info so you can get paid. So go ahead and do this, and then we're going to create our Kindle book. Now, it's just the basics, right? So what language is your book written in? Your book title, right? Let's just see. It's going to be this sneezy bumblebee. Bumblebee. Did I spell that? Bumblebee. Bumblebee. There we go. I think I spelled that wrong, but we're going to go through that, and spelling is not my forte. Thank goodness there's so many apps and stuff like that. But if your book is a part of series or eventually will be, you can add it now. So again, if it's a part of a series, you can always come back. Edition number, optional, author, contributors, description, publishing rights. Do you own the copyright? Is there sexually explicit images or title? Reader age, optional, primary. So there's a lot of easy stuff, and you can go to the next page. Let me just fill this in. We can go to the next page. Cool. So now we're on the next page, and now they're going to be asking for your manuscript, your book's interior content. We recommend using a KPF file, but you can see all the supported file attachments. So you can literally use a Microsoft Word or an EPUB or a MOBI, right? So there's all different formats you can do, and then you can click this button to add digital rights management to inhibit unauthorized access or copying of digital files. This cannot be changed after publication. Learn more about this before you click on it, because it might mess up everything. Upload your front cover of your book. Beautiful front cover. Is it AI generated? This one's new. Kindle ebook preview. You can do a preview, and then you can save and continue. And then we're going to go to the last part of this to get it launched. Okay, we're about to get on the pricing part, but right now it's like, so it converts your files to Kindle format for you. And it looks like this is taking not too long. And if there's any errors, it's going to tell you, so that way you can fix them before you go to the next step. So this process is pretty good. And we're finally at the last step, which is the ebook pricing. So you can enroll your ebook in KDP Select. It's a free 90-day program offered by Kindle Books, allows you to run discounts and participate in promotions like Kindle Unlimited. Pretty hard to beat. all territories, or you just want to do individual. And right now we're doing Amazon.com. Select the royalty plan and set your Kindle book pricing. So how does pricing royalties work? You can go through it and go through all of this, what you want your pricing to be in each market. Do a little bit of research. It's not going to be that hard to figure out what to do, and then you're simply going to click publish your Kindle ebook. Of course, you could have a consultant like me do this all for you, but you want to make sure that you understand what you're doing and you want to get the royalties that you want, especially if your book explodes and a lot of people buy it, right? You want to get as much money as possible. But at the same time, if it's your first book, maybe taking less royalty and trying to get Amazon to push it in front of the customers might be a great idea for you. But after you're done this, you're simply going to click publish your ebook. It's going to transfer, and then Amazon's going to triple review it manually to make sure it doesn't go against their policies, and then they're going to publish it. And that's the step-by-step process to publish your own book on Amazon. But that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below if you're planning to create a book on Amazon and why. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribing to this channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon, launching products. We'll do it all for you and help you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.